Hello everyone. Today let us learn about equipments used in NICU, that is Neonatal Intensive Care Unit. Equipment used for thermal control. First one is radiant warmer. It's a warming device to provide heat to the body, and it consists of open tray and a heating mechanism with molded overhead. The skin temperature can be monitored by a measuring probe. Next equipment, incubator, is a device that provides sufficient warmth to the body to maintain a desired temperature, and also it's a provision of desired humidity and oxygenation. It kept observation for very sick neonates, isolation of newborn babies from infection, unfavorable and external environment. Equipment used for therapeutic purpose. This phototherapy is a type of medical treatment that involves exposure to fluorescent light bulbs or other sources of light like halogen. It is also called as light therapy and heliotherapy. It converts insoluble bilirubin into soluble bilirubin with a mechanism of photoisomerization, structural isomerization and photooxidation. Neonatal ventilator. It provides ventilatory support to preterm and critically ill infants who suffer from respiratory failure and child with low compliant lungs, low tidal volumes and high airway resistance and high resistant respiratory rates. Next, about CPAP device. It's a non-invasive positive pressure ventilation. It means to support respiratory function by delivering oxygen-enriched gas under pressure without requiring endotracheal intubation. Self-inflating bag. It is also known as ambu bag, manual resuscitator or self-inflating bag. It is used for child not breathing or not breathing adequately, and also used in ambulances, hospitals and anywhere in emergency situations. Here it opens the patient's airway using the held chin lift method and gives one breath per every 5 seconds. About oxygen hood. It is a clear plastic shell which covers the patient's head. It is well tolerated by infants and it allows access to chest, trunk and extremities. It permits to control of inspired oxygen concentration, temperature and humidity. Flow of oxygen rate is 10 to 15 liters per minute and 80 to 90% of oxygen concentration can be achieved, can be used in neonates and infants only. And about syringe pump, it is generally used for low volume, low flow rate infusion and is used for good short-term accuracy, long startup time at low flow rates. And about infusion pump, it provides accurate and controllable flow over a prescribed period or a demand. Wide range of drugs, therapies including chemotherapy, pain management, total parenteral nutrition, anesthesia and sedations are being used. IV infusion microset is a tubing used for children who are receiving smaller amounts of IV medications, and it delivers 60 drops per ml, which means it delivers 1 milliliter in 60 drops. Next, nebulizer machine is a drug delivery device used to administer medication in the form of mist inhaled into the lungs. Nebulizers are commonly used for treatment of cystic fibrosis, asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and other respiratory diseases. Next is endotracheal tube. It keeps the airway open in order to give oxygen, medicine or anesthesia. Support breathing in certain illnesses such as pneumonia, emphysema, heart failure, collapsed lungs or severe trauma. Remove blockages from the airway. About central venous catheter, it's a central line threaded through a vein until it reaches a larger vein near the heart. It can stay in place longer than IV. It can deliver fluids or medicines quickly if needed. It can also deliver nutrition. Next is equipment used for monitoring. Thermometer is to check the temperature of the child. Weighing machine to find out the weight of the child. Pulse oximetry to rule out the oxygen saturation. And transilluminator is an ultraviolet transmitter, works by emitting high level of radiation through the body area to check the abnormalities. Capnometry, it is a non-invasive method that measures the end tidal partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the expired gas. Other equipments like breast pump is to remove and collect the milk from the breast. Once it collected, it can be stored in milk storage bag. Suction machine is also known as aspirator. It is a type of medical device used for removing obstructions like saliva, mucosa, blood or any secretions from the patient's airway. Resuscitation trolley is to provide immediate access to supplies and medication. It is also called as crash cart or emergency trolley. Thank you.